Hello, Onyocha. Onyocha, you want to fry egg? Ogene. Ogene. Why are you using engine oil to fry egg? What? You can't tell me that thing is ororo. That thing is not ororo. You see how black it is? You see how black eat that egg now. It will go and black your intestine. It will black your liver, black your kidney, black your lungs, and your ngwangwa. It will black it. Why are you frying egg with engine oil? What is wrong with all of you? What is wrong with all of you? No, for God's sake.